KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Kinongyalam jong ke Nongmensong Presbyterian Church bat kinongyalam jong ke Nongmensong dorbar shnong hakasngi ba ar jong ke khat sau tarik ubna jellio arajar ar puar kila yakendo yau sembut menteri rangba ka jella uba preston tensong ban pensngou hakabaya day bat kajing Maramot no yaki Surok ki balas new Shwa ban penlong yaka Jingïaseng Prebytery ke ban salong ha ubna rempang arajar ar pulai yakani ka kinhon layalam do MLA jong ke pentor umkra uba Alexander L. Heck.
The Presbyterian Church of Nongmensong, from pastors to members and all the members of the church, leaders of the Nongmensong Presbyterian Church, we went and met the Honorable Deputy CM, Preston Tensong, today in his office chamber. So the main purpose for meeting the Honorable Deputy CM today was we had given the proposal for the road connectivity, the repairing of road, and also for the main purpose is for the Prebytery, which will be hosted by Nongmensong at Nongmensong, the locality only, by the Nongmensong Presbyterian Church. The Presbytery will be held in February 18 February 2023. In this regard, the whole Darbar Shnok, along with the headman of the locality, Nongmensong, and also the pastors in charge of Nongmensong Presbyterian Church and the Temen Basan, we all went together, and we got the assurance from the Honorable Deputy CM. He will look after all the requirement which is need to be prepared for the Presbytery into 2023. It is to be held at Nongmensong locality under the supervisions or under the Presbyterian Church of Nongmensong. Park connectivity, the electricity. This also has been mentioned just near of the gate of the Presbyterian Church. There was a very old transformer which is deteriorating now, so we need to upgrade that transformer and also to make little high elevations. It is just in front of the gate of the Presbyterian Church, so that also we have taken care with all the whole locality where the new construction of road been taken place. Some of the poles which has come in the middle of the road, which we need also that is to be realignment, that pole to be shifted somewhere in the corner of the road. The technical people from the department concerned, they will do the estimations, but now we have only given what are the requirements, the needs for the preparations of the Presbytery of Nongmensong Presbyterian Church.